Here are the 5 best table tennis ball. So, let's get started. Number 1, most popular. MAPOL 50 White 3-star Table Tennis Balls. The MAPOL 50 table tennis balls are 3-star rated and 40+, making them ideal for tournaments and competitions. Plus, these balls come in a pack of 50. They are also great for beginning players because of their low price, but are still responsive enough to withstand the playing style of even the most advanced players. Based on some MAPOL reviews, there can be some variation in weight or diameter between balls. However, this should not affect recreational players when playing practice sessions. Number 2. Butterfly G40 Plus Table Tennis Balls. You'll find Butterfly G40 Plus in every list of the top 10 ping pong balls. The G40 Plus is a great option to consider if you're looking for a plastic ball that feels similar to celluloid. Butterfly 3-star table tennis balls are best for ITTF-sanctioned events. The Butterfly table tennis ball was designed by renowned table tennis players in Germany and is used by the pros in events sanctioned by the International Table Tennis Federation. The ball is made of seamless rubber, which results in a more durable ball than one with seams. You will find 1 or 2 Butterfly G40 Plus reviews that mention the high-pitched sound can be distracting. Number 3. Butterfly A40 Plus 3-star Table Tennis Balls. Butterfly has raised the bar on table tennis equipment, and the A40 Plus ball is touted to have unsurpassed durability and consistency. If you're new to table tennis and want to get a feel for playing with a ball, we suggest going for the Butterfly A40 Plus. These ITTF-approved 3-star balls give a consistent bounce like the celluloid ping pong balls. Best of all, a 40 Plus provides almost a similar feel, bounce, and consistency as top tiers like Nittiku, but comes at a lower price tag, making it a cheaper alternative to top tiers. Number 4. STIGA 12 3-star Table Tennis Balls. Many professional players and amateurs prefer STIGA 3-star table tennis balls in tournaments. STIGA 3-star balls come in white, orange, and a selection of colors and are most recognized for their firmness. If you're serious about improving your table tennis skills, STIGA 3-star balls have been named among the top choices for competitive players. Most of the STIGA 3-star reviews appreciate the spin and consistent bounce quality of the balls. Although the heavier gauge may feel bigger than other models, this will not affect your game adversely. The speediness of the ball is preserved despite the heavy gauge, as per many reviewers. Number 5. Newgy Robo Balls. The Newgy Robo Balls ping pong balls are ideal for recreational play and suitable for ping pong robots. Newgy Robo balls are not 3-star, hence these are not suitable for tournaments. If your top consideration is 3-star ping pong balls, then you can go for Power Pong 3 stars. However, we didn't rank Power Pong 3-star balls because these balls are not yet available on either Megaspin or Amazon. Hence, Newgy Robo balls rank as the best ping pong robot balls. These orange balls come in a 144 count package suitable for multi-ball training.
Thanks for watching the video.